underway on the demolition of the deck. Now, this deck was built in 1991, and that's what, 35 years, I guess this thing lasted. They only guarantee decks nowadays, even with Trex, roughly 25. And that's if you tape the joists and all that. And you could see in here that they did go through and paint the top of the joists before they put the deck boards on. And I have been going through and de-nailing some of these deck boards because I do have plans in the future of making another roadside stand. It's been a slow process doing that, having to remove nails. But the plan is to get all of the 5/4 boards off of this, and I'll go through and take all the joists off. If you see signs that say, "Do not enter, danger," like I have posted before everything, and you can clearly see that the deck has collapsed. Why would you throw a package over there where the deck is collapsed and expect me to go walk on it, or the missus? Do better. But we're gonna go through and get the deck boards off at least today. And I might do this over a couple different days, so we'll have to check back when I start the camera back up. Be a little bit of time-lapse footage. That's about it, nothing major. When we get going on the new deck that I've already ordered, I will take you along. I gotta drill some footings. Yeah, we gotta pour some concrete. Gotta put some footings in. This is gonna be a freestanding deck, which is gonna be cool. I think it'll be a lot better and last a lot longer that way. Here we go. Able to go through and pull off all the deck boards on the deck, and I took all the nails out of everything because, like I mentioned before, I plan on building another roadside stand, something with some loose bundles, and I can use all that for the building of it. But yeah, this thing definitely it was definitely time to replace. You could see a bunch of the boards are just completely rotted out. Not all of them. Some of the good boards here, I will pull the nails out and save. And all this rotted stuff, we'll just take to the dump, or we'll burn it, or whatever. We'll have a big party and have a bonfire. I think next I'm gonna go through and pull these fascia boards off and the joists. Or actually, I might just pull the joist now and leave the fascia boards up. And we'll do that last. Here we go. Let's keep on demoing the deck. were able to go through and get everything cleaned up today on my day off. The deck is gone. Everything is removed and disposed of properly. I did get all the concrete taken away this morning as well. I have about 5 days before the material shows up for the deck. So I need to do some math and get an auger for either an excavator or a skid loader, which I think I can get one from my uncle, and go through and auger out the holes, because I have to do 12 footings on this for the new deck since it's going to be freestanding, 16 inches round, and I think I'm going 36 inches deep. Probably a little overkill, but the thing's never going to move. We're going to overbuild it anyway. Yeah, that's what we always do around here. But that is all I have for you guys. Hopefully you found this enjoyable, and hopefully you come along for the build. And we got a boiler cleaning coming up here soon, and I have to start making some firewood because I haven't cut any firewood since December, and it is now April. Take care of each other. I will see you on the next one.